Oh. Hello, back again. I'm not alone this time, but decided to put someone else through a bit of torture. So this is Zercher, an up-and-coming MMA fighter who is going to be fighting for the first time, sorry, not the first time, for the next time in December, mid-December, aren't you? She fights out of Renegade Gym, so that's the home of like Leon Edwards, Fabian Edwards, and a fair few other greats, Mickey Two Guns Eunice. And all I'm going to do today is basically show you a typical workout of how I train some of my fighters. So I've got MMA fighters on my team, I've got kickboxers, boxers, along with old age pensioners. I've got a range of everyone. But anyway, enough talk, let's get on with some work. So initially we're focusing on being quite explosive and being uncomfortable. So we're just going to start out with Zercher moving five aside against the bands on the bench, 5 really fast explosive reps. We're just thinking about acceleration, not necessarily weight, speed reps basically. And then she's going to get on her favourite bike over here that you can see just behind me and do 10 calories. But we're going to do this basically 5 rounds as close to non-stop as possible, or until she passes out or whatever. We'll see. Alright, I'm going to hand over to Zercher. Let's go. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Cool. Take heels. Okay, so she'll have just enough time to basically transfer over to the bench. I'm upping the weight because that was far too easy for her. We want her out of breath, we want her struggling.
Do you mind putting that one glass down as well?
Oh yeah, of course, yeah. My apologies, I was using this. And I'm just slightly taller than Zercher.
Slightly.
Just slightly. Okay, let's go. Good. Go on, 1. Explode against it. Go on, 2. Explode against it. 3. Good. Go on, work. 4. Good. 1 more. And up. And 5. Cool. Right, misjudged the weight, so we'll go back down because I want speed.
I'll do a restart.
We're just trying to simulate the discomfort of fighting. She's going to have to explode. She's going to be out of breath. We want her uncomfortable. Okay, nice and strong for me. Nice and strong. Let's go. Explode off the chest. Back. Go. 1. Fast. Go. 2. Fast. Go. 3. Again. Fast. 4. Come on. Fight. 5. Lovely. Let's just reset the colours. Oh, you cheated. Okay, let's go. Dig in for me again. Try and get that 30 seconds. Go harder. And slow down. Let's do more rounds. Go Come on, come on, come on, go in harder, no. Go on, just get close to this as possible. Good stuff. Oh, fine. Okay, round number 4. She wants to kill me, she wants to kill herself, but whatever. Come on, you go. Round number 4. This is the right spot, of course. Okay. Try and get up your chest. And explode. Good. 1. Lovely stuff. 2. Lovely stuff. 3. And again. 4. Go on. You got it? One more. Up. And 5. Excellent. I've got one more round after this easy work. Let's go. So by the end of this vision, we've done 5 minutes or more work. When she's fighting, she's an amateur. She only fights for 3 minutes. Let's go. Keep it going. One of the longest do this. Take it in half the time. Let's go. Come on. No. Literally got 1 round. 1 round. I know it sucks. You know what we want? 1 round. 1 round left. This is going to be well over 5 minutes work. Yeah? Of being exhausted. That's what we want. Working brilliantly, let's go. That's it, let's go. Up, good, 1, up, 2, good, up, 3, that's brilliant. And again, 4, 1 more, control and go. Up, 5, perfect. Excellent. Those bands are a killer, I know. Good stuff. Come on, last 10 calories. And I'll put your favourite bike away, let's go. Last round mentality, let's go. Come on, no, you put it on me, no, come on. Keep moving, the arms moving, arms and legs, let's go. Arms and legs, let's go. Come on. Only 2 calories. And done. Cool. She's not my friend anymore. That was awesome. Alright then, so on to our next. Again, the focus of today is being quite explosive, more in the way of conditioning than strength. So Pooja is going to do 8 push press on the axle bar. So again, axle's really good, thick grip, great for just your overall grip and hand strength, which is obviously very important as an MMA fighter. And then she's going to get the 12 kilo slam ball and basically give me 5 really explosive slams. Again, we're going to do that for 5 rounds, as close to non-stop as possible. And she's going to, oh, I'm done. Okay, nice and strong for them. Good, 1, good, 2, good, 3. There we go, I want to get a snap on that bar. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, get your bar out of the way, step over. Really explosive. Let's go. 1. Let's go. She's so dainty and coordinated. 3. Let's go. 4 and 5. That's cool. Excellent. Let's go again. Straight in. And 1, 2, up, 3, up, 4, lovely, 5, lovely, 6, lovely, 7, and perfect 8. Okay, cool. Go again. One. Lovely. Two. Lovely. Excellent. Again, 4. Come on, slam into the ground. Don't tickle it. Slam it. Let's go. Get up. 5. Better. Okay. So round number 3. That's it. 1, you're exhausted. Let's go. Go, go, go. Lovely. 1, move that bar fast forward. 2, move that bar fast forward. Explode. 3, 4, 1, 5. Again. 6. Again. 7. Again. And perfect 8. Good. Lovely. Lovely. 1. Perfect. Lovely. Again. Even harder. Yeah, don't tickle that ground. Let's go. It's not delicate. 4. Come on, you're not going to break it. Let's go. 5. Perfect. Was this round
4?
4? It's going to cheat you around now. It's only round 2. Come on, let's go. 1. Good. 2. Good. 3. Perfect. 4. And 5. Even faster. Want to hear that bar snap? Want to hear the bar snap? Come on. 2. 3. Good. Good stuff. Again, only one more round after this. Catch your breath. Good. 2. Good. 3. Good. 4. Good. 5. Let's go. Last one. Last round. Let's go. 1. Good. 2. Good. 3. Good. 4. Again. 5. Again. Come on, let me hear the snap of the bar. I want it fast. 6. Go again. 7. Lovely. Lovely 8. Last one. Now catch your breath. 1. Good. 2. Good. 3. Good. 4. Good. Even harder. And 4. Okay, for our next circuit, we are going to be doing some Zercher squats with the axle, which again, just really important. It puts you in really awkward positions as an MMA fighter. She is going to be put in really awkward positions. It makes you really fight to stand up. Obviously, the bar is constantly trying to open your arms up, test your upper back, test your core, and all that good stuff. So we're going to get 5 Zercher squats, and we're just going to increase the weight each set. We're then going to move into some very explosive burpee deadlifts. Again, just 5 reps, and again, just going backwards and forwards with as little rest as possible. Okay, madame, I'm going to hand over to you. Yes, indeed. Perfect. 1. Good. 2. 3. 4. And 5. Cool, and right. Okay. I think you can go straight to 60 on that. Stand all the way up, perfect. Enjoy that momentary rest while I strip down the weight. Okay, so this is about body weight for Pooja now. She's in the region of 60 kilos. This is about 60 kilos. So, which, and our opponent is going to be around that weight. So we want her getting used to manhandling that kind of weight. Come on, let's go, let's go. Nice and strong. Go, go, go. Good. 1. Go again. 2. Good. Go again. 3. And again. 4. Last one. And 5, okay, back it. Cool. We'll start that way, that's a good one. Okay, get your feet right underneath you. Good, that was a good one. Feet to your hands, 2, and then you'll explode off the ground. There you go, feet to your hands. Let's go, feet to your hands. 4, perfect. Get up fast. 5, perfect. Good, let's go again. We keep the reps relatively low. You keep going, ignore me. We keep the reps relatively low because we're not trying to build muscle with Puja at the moment. We just want a ridiculously strong and fit. Come on, let's go. And again. Come on, don't tire out on me. No. Come on, let's go. 3. Come on, 4. And again. 5. Cool. Nice and strong. Tune, let's go. And 1, good. Feet to your hands, 2. There you go, and you'll take off. Lovely, need to get up fast. Even faster, let's go. Even faster, there we go. 5, perfect. Good stuff. Can't you go about stopping? Your opponent will go about stopping, but if you need to rest. There we go. If you think you need to rest, let's go. Come on, let's go. Good. 1. Let's go. 2. Let's go. 3. Let's go. 4. Love that. 1 more for me. Perfect stuff. 5. Okay, careful. All right. Okay, 1 more. Whatever, I can't count. I'm a teacher, I can't count. My degree's in English, not maths, so let's go. Strong. 1. Go. 2. Show me that. 3. Show me that again. 4. Last one. Perfect. 5. Excellent. Okay. Got it. Digging for me. 1. Digging for me. 2. Digging again. 3. Digging again. Even faster now. Slow. Too slow. Better. Wow. She's a monster. Okay, for our next circuit, again, just more brutality. A lot of posterior chain, a lot of core. So Pooja's going to be doing some twist presses using the Landmine. So you'll see, if you've never heard of it, you'll see. And then she's going to pick up this heavy ball 3 times. And again, we're going to go backwards and forwards for 5 circuits. The idea of the ball particularly, it puts her just in weird compromising positions. Her spine will round over to pick it up and she's going to be exhausted. But that again is simulating a fight situation because she's going to be put in weird compromising positions. And her spine, we can't all walk around with perfect form in fights and stuff like that. So we're just simulating that. Can she perform when she's tired? Go, madame, go! Okay, count those presses, let's go. Good, 1, 2, nice and explosive. 3, that's it, get up on those toes. 4, good. 5, good. 6, good. That's it, 7, don't be afraid to pivot. There we go. 8, good. 9, and 10, cool. And down, just drop it down where we're going. Okay, just give me 3. So this is almost Pooja's body weight as a dead weird lumpy weights. Hug. Good. Good. Deadlift it onto your knees. Hug. Get underneath it. 2. Good. Just need a triple. Dead it onto your knees. Hug. Push your hips through. Perfect. Okay. That's it. Catch your breath if you need to. Your opponent wouldn't, but if you need to catch your breath, that's fine. Come on, let's go. I have to get under her skin to get it done. Let's go. Come on, nice and strong. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. That's a really twist. 7. Good. 8. Good. 9. Good. And 10. Perfect. That was round number 2. That's it. That's it. Just pick it up however you need to. Dead it onto your knees. Get underneath it. Bend down. Hug. Go for it. Good. 1. Really push your hips through at the top for me. Get it on those knees. Lovely. Push. 2. 1 more. And we just want her brutally strong. We want her to be able to manhandle her opponents. Excellent. 3. On her. Don't care though, let's go. You got it. Come on. That's it. Control the breathing for me. Go. Get up on the toes. Be explosive. Get up on the toes. Move it. Snap. There we go. I want to see the snap. Snap. There. Better. 4. Good. 5. Good stuff. 6. Again. Perfect 7. That's perfect 8. 2 more. 9. 1 more. 10. Come on. I heard your opponent does this with an 80. Why are you doing the 50? Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. There we go. Let's catch her up. Let's catch her up. She's training harder than us. We're going to catch her up. 1. Let's go. Got to catch her up. Come on. There's 2. Excellent. 1 more. Come on. Doing brilliant. Let's go. Good. Well done. Let's suck it up. Manage that breathing for me. Love that. Didn't even rest. 1. Good. 2. Good. 3. Good. 4. Good. 5. Again. 6. Again. Go on, get it. 7. Again. 8. 9. 1 more for me. And 10. Easy. Oh, this is easy stuff now. We're over the lump now. We're over the hump. Good. There we go. That was nice. 1. Get on it. There's 2. Good. Come on. Super strong. Super strong. That's one of these. Good. Hug. Push your hips through. Perfect. Excellent stuff. This is number 5 now, is it?
Yeah.
That's it. Winning without stopping. Where's my machine? Let's go. Where's my machine? 1. Good. 2. Good. 3. Good. 4. Good. 5. Again. 6. Again. 7. Again. 8. Again. 9. Good. That's one of those. Go on, hold on to him, hold on to him. Hips. Good. 1. Can you get 5? You reckon you can get 5? Let's go. Right, it's the last set of these. Hard work's over there. 2. Come on, let's go. Show me. Come on, show me 5. It's another 3. Go on, you got it. Don't quit on me. There we go. I know you're not quitting on me. Excellent. Go on, give me 2 more, just for fun. Just for fun. There we go. 4. Last one. Last one. Good. On your knees. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Perfect. Bam. She is a monster. Very quiet monster, but a monster. Alright, so you'll see my monster in the background here. Did a bit of kind of core ab work. So we're doing some Russian twists and sit-ups. Nothing fancy. But again, just keeping the core nice and strong. Because she's used to taking a beating, so we want her abs nice and strong. So this is the second round. We're just doing 3 rounds because we've done a lot of core stuff already. But abs isn't very exciting, so that's why I'm kind of talking while she's doing it. Nice and strong for me. Anyway, we're going to finish up here, so hopefully you've enjoyed, and we'll see you next time. Pooja would wave and say goodbye, but she's busy, so see you later.